Right now, somewhere in America, 141 rolls of toilet paper are being used. Every single second. And it all starts here.
What appears as waste is actually structured fiber, worth almost nothing, until it isn't.
The global toilet paper industry is worth $30 billion. 30 billion. And most people have no idea where it comes from.
Americans consume more toilet paper per capita than any other nation. The supply chain is one of the most efficient industrial systems ever engineered.
It begins not in a forest, a dye, but in a recycling bin.
Old newspapers, office printouts, cardboard boxes. This is the raw material for what you wipe yourself with every morning. The system does not begin with trees. It begins with yesterday's mail.
Everything in this process has been something else before.
The scale of this operation is truly astounding. How do they manage it? Each one of these bales weighs about 1,000 pounds, and they arrive by the truckload every single day.
Wait, Dad, they're actually rejecting material? Why?
One contaminated input of a single piece of plastic, a wrong fiber grade, propagates through the entire run.
Using extreme precision, the individual fiber strands are isolated, allowing the software to generate this detailed length analysis.
So the testing happens before anything even starts. Quality is not inspected at the end. It is engineered from the beginning.
Paper fiber is remarkably resilient. Mechanical shredding separates compressed sheets into loose fiber bundles.
What you are seeing is called a pulp slurry, approximately 99% water, 1% fiber. It's gray, it's murky, it smells. This is gonna be toilet paper?
It's gray, formless, unrecognizable. How does this ever become clean white paper?
Hold on, Beth. That color is actually changing. I can see it.
It's getting lighter. But Atlas said cleaner pied, not clean. What's still left to remove?
The data we've gathered here reveals a shift of significant global consequence.
In this place, where the impossible becomes real, we witness the birth of tomorrow's technology and confront the choices we must now make.
Let us examine the economics of what you have witnessed so far.
One ton of recycled pulp costs approximately $1,000 to purchase and process. That same ton produces roughly 10,000 individual rolls.
At Retail Tom, those 10,000 rolls sell for between $500 and $1,700 per ton of finished product.
So the margin is substantial. A single fully automated line requires one operator.
Electricity costs roughly $2 per hour. The machine does the rest.
This is why the toilet paper industry generates $30 billion annually, not from premium materials, but from engineered efficiency at massive scale.
Waste paper. One operator. $30 billion.
Now you know what it's worth. Stay to see exactly how the machine finishes the job.
60 miles per hour? This thing moves at highway speed?
A Yankee dryer. 12 feet across, surface temperature approaching 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Then comes creeping. It is the single step responsible for softness AS. The folds create air pockets.
The softness isn't in the material, it's in the shape.
The embossing pattern serves three functions. First, it bonds multiple ply layers together.
Second, the raised texture traps micro pockets of air. Third, it is a brand identifier.
Now it's soft. But a soft, flat sheet is not a toilet paper roll. What comes next?
You are looking at a giant parent reel. At 5 feet in diameter and weighing thousands of pounds, this towers over even me.
This is the transformation point, Tan, where industrial scale becomes individual use. But the machine isn't done yet.
Atlas, does that apply to more than toilet paper?
It applies to almost everything worth making.
The global toilet paper industry is worth $30 billion. It starts with what you throw away.